Breaking news. Positive updates on XRP, XRP Ledger, and Ripple USD. You can't miss. Are you ready for some exciting crypto news? Over the past 30 days, XRP and its ecosystem have been shining with breakthroughs, milestones, and adoption stories that everyone needs to know. Stay tuned as we unpack the latest reasons to celebrate XRP's rise. XRP has been climbing to new heights recently with growing market support and positive sentiment. Over the last month, its price behavior has shown resilience amidst challenging market conditions, capturing the attention of traders and investors alike. Optimism is building as XRP asserts its strength in the cryptosphere. Beyond market performance, institutional confidence in XRP is on the rise. Partnerships and regulatory progress have re-energized discussions about XRP's potential to redefine cross-border payments. These victories have bolstered XRP's reputation as a reliable and efficient digital asset in the evolving global financial landscape. The XRP Ledger is more powerful than ever thanks to ongoing innovation. Developers in the community have recently introduced updates focused on scalability and security. These advancements are paving the way for faster and more efficient transactions, reinforcing the Ledger as a go-to platform for decentralized applications and businesses. One standout story is the rising adoption of NFTs on the XRP Ledger. Over the last month, NFT creators and platforms have shown strong interest in its fast, low-cost capabilities. This growing utility adds significant value to the XRP ecosystem, proving that it's more than just a cryptocurrency. Ripple USD, RLUSD, has made headlines as businesses increasingly recognize its efficiency. In the past 30 days, Ripple USD has seen expanded adoption as a payment tool for seamless and fast transactions across borders. This is another step toward redefining the financial system with blockchain technology. The ripple effects, pun intended, are noticeable. Merchant adoption and partnerships aligning Ripple USD with various industries signal a shift in how digital assets like XRP-backed stablecoins are shaping finance. It's safe to say Ripple USD is helping bridge crypto and everyday financial use cases. With these recent developments, the future for XRP and its ecosystem looks brighter than ever. Its growing utility, strengthened infrastructure, and increased adoption are clear signs of its long-term potential. Crypto enthusiasts can feel confident that XRP continues to lead the charge toward blockchain-driven financial transformation. If you're as excited about XRP's journey as we are, like this video to support educational content, subscribe for more positive crypto updates, share the video, and share your thoughts below. Together, we can empower the crypto community with optimism and knowledge. Let's shine a light on blockchain innovation. See you the next one at Crypto 2045.